So at the genus level, our samples really started to look different. The bacterium Prevotella was very, very present in both of our samples. That's kind of expected. It's really common in dogs, and it's associated with dental disease. Both of our samples had a very, very strong concentration of two differing bacteria, though. Sample number 406 had a very strong concentration of the bacterium Megamonas. Megamonas is actually associated with obesity in dogs and the inability for them to lose the weight that they take on. And then sample number 521 had a large concentration of Veillonella. Veillonella is actually found more often in human mouths than in animal mouths, which is interesting. And it's associated, or it's the reason, rather, why human bites can be dangerous. Other than that, they looked really, really similar. We had less than 1%, I think, concentration of other bacteria in it. So they weren't really cross-contaminated with too much. They just had vastly different concentrations of bacteria in both of their guts. So this is really interesting for us. It didn't support our hypothesis at all. We expected them to look really, really similar because they were the same breed, same age, and similar exercise and all those other factors. But so instead, we got two very, very different dogs. So this can really tell a lot of dog owners specifically about how they can influence certain traits or issues with their dogs based on diet. And so our hypothesis was not supported at all, but it was very interesting. So I'm now going to give you a close-up of all of our different slides, as well as our works cited if you needed. Here is the works cited. I don't know if you can see that. And then I can close up now. So this is going to be our introduction. Here, I'm going to pan this to the side. I've got our introduction here. I've got my materials and methods right here. Up here, I've got our discussion. Over to the left, I've got our results. So this is our initial DNA quantification. Below that is our amplicon results, and below that is our reads for all of our samples. I've got a picture of our gel electrophoresis. Our samples are going to be the ones from here up. So this first one right here is our positive control. That's sample number 521. That's sample number 406. And this blank spot in the middle is our negative control. And then over here, I've got our nice little bar charts. So we go up here to Kingdom first. They look really, really similar. We go back down here to Order. That's when they start looking a little bit different, but they still have a lot of different bacteriums in common. And then when you get down to the genus, that's when it looks completely different based on both of them. So the only thing they really shared at this level was unclassified bacteria and Prevotella. And that is going to be it. Thank you.